What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Small Feet Big Heats. Thank you guys for showing love on the past couple videos. I really appreciate it. So make sure that you continue to like, comment, and subscribe. Show small YouTubers some love. It really pushes the videos out to more people so that more people can see what it is that I'm doing over here on this channel. As you can see, today I've got 2 boxes that I've had sitting in my house for about 3 to 4 days now, and I cannot wait to unbox them. As you can see, and I'm sure you have noticed on this channel, I really like my hats. Even if I wasn't growing out shaved sides, because that's what I'm doing right now, I am growing out some shaved side action that I had. I would still wear all of my hats. I really like hats. I like limited hats. I like brand collab hats. I don't know, it's something else that I collect outside of sneakers. So I have 2 boxes here that I'm gonna be unboxing on camera. Both of these boxes are from streetsole. Sorry, I forgot their name very quickly. Yeah, I got these from streetsole. Let me know down below what you guys prefer. Do you prefer the mail time videos where I just unbox or unbag things as I get them, or would you prefer that I just kind of make a big pile and just do a haul video? Let me know down below in the comments what you guys prefer. Alright, we got the smooth cutting action from the FTP blade. If you haven't seen that video where I unboxed this, I'll link it up there. So I'm just going to open up both boxes now so that I can get rid of the box cutter. But we'll go through the hats one by one. Okay, so I guess we can start with this one since this is the one that's in my hand. And this color goes off. Oh, I wish that this release, or I would have known about this earlier in the summer, because these 2 colors would have definitely hit this summer. But I have them now and I can't complain. So these 2 hats are from the brand KTHLA. As you can see, the back of the hat says KTHLA. And on the front you have the LA Dodgers logo, but it is upside down. The KTHLA brand hats all have the logos upside down, which I think is really dope. The 2 that I picked up today are both LA, but I'm definitely looking to get some NY ones since I am from New York. So this is the LA Dodgers, not in the grape colorway because there's 2. There's one grape and one purple. This is just the purple. I cannot wait to wear this. So the other color I picked up is this maroon color, and as you can see, LA Dodgers again, but upside down. That is so clean to me. I just really like it. It's crazy what just flipping a logo can do. So you have that, very clean. On the back, KTHLA once again, and on the side you have that monogram lettering. Out of the box, I have not bent the brim, haven't touched it at all, but just look at that. Like, it's just so clean. It is very clean. This is the maroon. It does have a green underbill, snapback. Here goes the purple one, same thing, have not touched the brim, haven't bent it at all, same green underbill. But look at that purple. Like, tell me that that does not go off. The hats themselves were $80, and then the shipping from streetsole, since that's where I copped them, was $15, I believe. So I ended up paying $95 per hat just because I bought this one first, and then I thought about it, slept on it. Actually, no, I couldn't sleep, and I woke up at 4 o'clock in the morning and I copped this one too. So there you go, $95 in total for each hat. If you're interested in copying, I will put the streetsole link down below, and I'll also put the KTHLA website down below. Even though the website is temporarily closed, I will just keep a lookout to when the website opens. I'm definitely going to be on the lookout so that I could cop more. Definitely want to cop some NY ones. But yeah, just a very quick pickup video on these 2 hats that are so sick, and I cannot wait to throw them in the rotation. I will be coming at you guys with another 2 videos this week, so make sure you're on the lookout for that. Like, comment, subscribe, show a small YouTuber some love. It definitely helps the channel, and I will see you guys in the next video.